Hi everyone, my name is Anton Kelly. Welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Today I'd like to talk about what many people refer to as backdating levies. We're asked about this quite regularly, both on the club forum and in our other activities. As you know, the AGM is usually held well into the financial year. The budget approved at the AGM applies to the whole financial year, not just the period from the AGM onwards. An increase in the levy is almost certain for most schemes these days. The owners will have been paying their contributions in accordance with the budget approved at the previous AGM in accordance with PMR 25.3, as I mentioned in a previous video tutorial. So, how is the increase in the contributions applied to what the members have already paid prior to the AGM? Have a look at the example in this little line diagram. This owner's total liability for the previous year was 12,000 Rand, resulting in a monthly installment of 1,000 Rand. The financial year end is February, the AGM is held in the middle of May, and the budget approved at the AGM results in a new total liability for this owner of 14,400 Rand, which requires 12 equal payments of 1,200 Rand. In accordance with PMR 25.3 and ignoring the possibility that the trustees have increased the contribution for March, April and May, as they're entitled to do in terms of PMR 21.3b, this owner carried on paying 1,000 Rand for those months, resulting in a shortfall of 600 Rand by the end of May, considering the new liability of 1,200 per month. Question is, how should the body corporate recover that shortfall? There's a choice. The trustees have the discretion to set the installments, so they could make the shortfall of 600 Rand payable in a lump sum, say in the first payment after the AGM, resulting in this owner having to pay 1,800 Rand by 1st of June and 1,200 monthly for the rest of the financial year. Or the shortfall of 600 Rand could be divided up and added to the remaining 9 installments, resulting in a monthly liability of 1,267 Rand for the rest of the financial year. The trustees must make this decision in terms of section 3.1t, which requires that the common property must be managed, controlled and administered for the benefit of all owners. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Until next time, goodbye.